Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Rick Megha. Myself Upashana Pandey. I'm a second professional MBBS student from Nilratan Sarkar Medical College and Hospital. Okay, notes. These notes are really the saviors. Just think about the day or the night before your exam. You feel like reading everything. But those lengthy textbooks, oh my god, how will I complete? But I feel like reading everything. Just then, think that you instantly get a compilation of the short-handed notes covering all the concepts. Wow. Is that less than a magic? Of course not. Then why not make those notes by yourself? That sounds amazing, right? Like if you talk about me, I like taking a lot of notes. I keep on reading and I keep on writing. I read on small topics and write them down whatever I have understood. Then whenever I am writing, if I stumble there, it gives me warning that your topic is not ready. Go and read it again. Taking notes while studying for the first time is very much effective in retaining your concept, in preserving your concepts in your mind. This is necessary. But every time this is not being possible because there are certain times when we need to complete certain topics in very hurry. In that cases, some of the notes are missing, but try to make sure that at least you discuss with yourself after reading a topic, even if you don't feel like writing. Discuss it with yourself to preserve the concepts in your mind. This is one kind of note taking that I follow. Like I was studying pharmacokinetics, and this is the part of distribution and redistribution of drugs. So this is the first time I was studying and I wrote down everything that I understood from the topic. This is my first time notes. And for the drugs in pharmacology, what I do is that I sort down all the drugs chapter wise and along with their function so that I can revise them, and that will be kept inside my mind. Another type, I am revising. While revising, I shorthand the topics. Like these are the topics that I need to study. Then I make concise notes. Those notes I will study before the day of my exam. Yes, this is going to be very helpful when you need to complete a lot of things in a very short period of time. In that cases, because the concepts are already in your mind, you are reading it for various times, for the next 1, 2 or 3 times. Then when you are taking the notes, your notes are very concise. You are not writing everything what is written on the book, but you are just listing of the main topics that has been lit upon. You make concise notes, then those notes you study before the day of your exam or any other time when you need to study a lot of things in a very small period of time. These notes are going to be very helpful. So whenever you are taking that revision wala short-handed notes, small notes which you are going to study again, for those notes, first of all, try listing the topics, headings, subheadings, and then point wise draw diagrams, draw flowcharts, combine them. Your notes are perfect. Just like you are going to write in your exam. Make it colorful just to keep you motivated when you are studying. Colorful things attract eyes. Write it properly in good handwriting. Make them and arrange them properly. For micrology, suppose I was studying mycology part, and there is the classification. So for the classification, make beautiful charts. Keep this kind of beautiful things along with your study material, along with your book. I prefer keeping them. These things will help you out a lot. Because things which is written by yourself is very easily understandable. Because you can understand yourself very easily. For revising, right? You can even read the notes that you have that you were writing for the first time you were studying, because everything is written there, and that is written by yourself. Something, a compiled book from your side for yourself. It's like that. And this kind of small notes, chart, flowchart, boxes, tables, these are for your practice. These are for your hurry time. Keep track of them. Believe me, this is going to prove super useful for you. Your day before exam will not be frustrating, because we get frustrated. In medical life, the day before exam, frustration is a must for all the students. My God, first MB was such a thing and lot more to go. We know that. So in that cases, whenever there is a note, wow, what a magical thing. Try keeping for every topics, because you have lot of time. If you start reading from the beginning, you have lot of time. Keep the track of your notes. Don't just go on turning on the pages. That won't help you. That will just, you will read, forget, that vicious cycle. In between reading and forgetting, put a step of writing, and that forgetting will obsolete on each time. Every time this will be reduced by thoda, and there will be one time you will preserve your concepts, and that is necessary. Split up your concepts, build concepts, and keep track on them. Lead them up over and over. That will be going to be very much helpful. So that was all I needed to say about this note making, and share me more ideas so that I can enhance my notes. Arrange them, color them, beautify them in a creative way. That will provide you lot of motivation. That will, whenever you turn on the pages, whenever you see your copies, so many completed copies, you feel like, wow, I've read so many things. Just the day before your exam, you get everything written in your copy, and you just turn them and read everything from the copy, and it gives you, it boosts your confidence that I have read these things. This is very easy for me. Just, I will revise them. I will be okay. So, this note making helps you preserve your concepts, helps you revise, and gives you motivation and confidence. Those completed copies that you see, that you have written, everything, that gives you positivity, that radiates a ray of positivity, that leads you off with confidence, concepts, and your time management. Because for reading, you get time throughout your year, but before the day before your exam, time is very limited. So keep on a track of notes. Write everything that you understand. Make concise notes. Arrange them. Make flowcharts. Beautify them. Color them. Get motivated. Build up your confidence and keep rocking. If you like the video, let me know in the comment section. Put a thumbs up just to motivate me. And if you are new here, just subscribe the channel for more such videos. Take care. Keep rocking. Bye bye.